Hello and welcome to this GivePulse tutorial on how to use GivePulse for Iowa State students. This is the 8th and final tutorial in this series, and it is going to cover using your profile page. So here we go. We're going to log in, and again, as always, you can log in using Facebook if you've linked that to your account, or through your email and password, which is what I've done. It starts you off here when you log into GivePulse on your dashboard page. We covered that in the 7th tutorial. And we're going to click on Profile and View Profile to go to our profile page. Now we're going to walk through this page specifically. About is a section where you can actually add text if you'd like by going to Profile and Edit Account. You would be able to, oh, I'm sorry, there it was. Right here in this About box, you could add a little statement about yourself, like I volunteer for fun, right? Save changes, and there it is. You'd probably want something a little more thorough and say what causes you, why you volunteer, or what motivates you, what you're passionate about, but you can use that however you'd like. Moving down the My Causes, you have, through editing your account again, as you go through that, you'll be able to select what causes that you enjoy volunteering for, and compile a list here. That's a pretty simple step, and you can change all of these things anytime you would like. Similarly, on the My Skills, you can indicate which skills that you enjoy volunteering or using when you volunteer, or just list all of the skills that you believe you have in case that does you any good. Moving on down, we've discussed these impacts before, the MyGivePulse charts that track your impacts per month, your hours that you've volunteered per month, and then your aggregate total of hours you've volunteered in your community. That is also posted here on your profile page. And then it shows your groups. If you hover over them, it tells you which group is which. Some groups won't have images, others will. It's up to the group on whether they add that or not, but that's there. Moving down, it's got classes. The same, works the same way as the groups above. And then impacts. This is all of your impacts. You can view these in more detail, which we've covered in the past as well. But you're able to share this profile page. It's just like a social media page. You can share, you can try to find others, and you could comment on their impacts, or if you volunteered somewhere together, you can converse about that if you'd like. Also, if you added more details here, like a comment or a reflection, that would show up here as well. And it's multiple pages if you volunteer multiple times. And that is a pretty simple rundown of your GivePulse accounts. I will also show you that you can merge accounts. So if you've changed emails or something like that and created two separate accounts, or for any reason, say you had Gmail but then you started at Iowa State, you can merge your iowastate.edu and your Gmail account if you'd like, and that will merge the data from both accounts together for easy transition into using GivePulse in a different group. And finally, this My Registrations tab, I will just walk over really quick. It will tell you which events you are registered for and which ones you attended and what you have coming up. If you'd like to use that, you certainly can. Alright, this ends this series of tutorials on how to use GivePulse for Iowa State students.